Hello again, viewers. Guess what I'm having for my tea? And guess what I'm having for my tea tonight? Bernard Matthews chicken unicorns. It's got eight pieces of unicorns, 100% chicken breast, air fry, right, so in the back, 336 grams. Right, so I went to the food warehouse today and I bought some chicken unicorns for £3. Yep, I bought one, or can get a for free. Or you get 3 for £5. Can get 3 for £5 of Bernard Matthews chicken unicorns or chicken dinosaurs. Ever can get 3 for £5. Right, so pause that for a while before opening. And that's me ready. And here's a unicorn. And the rest of them. And these are unicorn nuggets. Uni nuggets. Empty. When it's empty, put it in the bin. So guys, please thumbs up, like and subscribe. Please don't forget subscribe. Don't forget it. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you follow to my YouTube channel. And please like my videos. And so, see you in the next video. Having a taste test video. So see you in the next video. Cheerio and enjoy the next video of taste test.